here. First thing first. This is good for protection of my phone, my precious Poco X3 Pro. See, Poco X3 Pro. This is my case. Now, so what do we have here? Oh, a lot of this stuff. Yes, ada banyak. Kita buka satu. Ya. Oh ya. Yes. Oh, pair. It's a pair. That's nice, huh? It's a pair. So all of this is a pair. Tapi kena cek lah. Kita cek. Takut ada missing item lah. Cek satu-satu. Untuk cek. Ya. Cukup. Ini cukup. Ini cek. Cek. Oke. Cek ya, cukup. Ini panas loh. Saya beli 4 pair because it's very cheap, sangat murah. Ada 4 pair. Yes. Apa nih? Ya, take a look closely. We open this. What we have is a hall plug, USB plug. This is for audio. What it do is, okay, this is to protect my phone. Okay, what I have here is I just put it here. And then another one is audio jack plug. So I install it here. Yes, now at least I close the hole. Kalau hujan ke, if there is any rain, then the water cannot get in. Protection, extra protection. This is extra protection. Dust plug. This is a dust plug. So kita simpan ini. So, this is done. This is done. Now we open the next item. Next item is, this is my next Poco X3 accessories. How to open this? How to open this from here? Cut it from here. Let's see. Hey. I ordered this from Shopee and it comes very fast. The delivery is very fast. I like it. Yes, what is this? This is a waterproof case. This is the normal case. The protection. And then this is a waterproof case. Let's see closely. Swimming protection, small sailing, skiing. Because I bring my phone for hiking, running. This is very good. IPX68, very good, recommended. Dirt proof, snow proof, waterproof. Kita coba pasang. Jadi kalau saya ada pergi running ke, if I go for a run, I will use this case. So if there's a rain, I don't have to worry. I can use it to take pictures in the water when I go to the waterfall. There. Okay. IP68. Very good. P68. How good it is? Let's see. Okay, how to open this? Number 1. Then you open here. Oh, open up here. Then okay, I need to open this side here as well. Yeah, I need to open this side. I need to open this side here and side here, and then I think this side no need. Then I can pull it up. Yeah, like the instruction says, I can pull it up like this. Okay, sorry. Okay, you open it on the side here, and here, and then pull up. Yes, just like that. But this one I'm not sure lah, because this is, yeah, this is the plastic. This is the casing. Tapi agak lembut lah, tak koyak ke? Agak lembut I think this is part of it. Ingatkan bukan apa ini, because this is the okay. So how you put this in? You pull it up and then you put it in. Oh, masih ada gap lah. It's not really yeah, it's not really the exact size. It's not really the exact size for this. Still got a gap here. Not fit. Tak fit betul-betul. Masih ada gap. See? So if I put it in like this, yeah, still okay. Because now if I put it in turn, wait if okay, it's like this. If I put it in, then how I'm going to switch on the power button? How I'm going to switch on this thing? How? Where is the button? So I close it like this. Put it in. That's it. Yeah. Now I have it like this. Now how I'm going to switch it on? How? Stay away. This is the camera. Then how? Not really a practical thing. They at least put some button over here. It's just a case. And then how I'm going to use it? Okay. So if I want to switch it on, then I need to open it. What? I need to open it just to switch it on. That is funny. Thing to do. Yeah. It's like defeat the purpose already. It's defeat the purpose. Okay. Close it in. Maybe I cannot put it sleep. Maybe. But then you are always on. You must put it sleep. Or I need to make it wake up by adjuster. Can be done too. Can be done. Yeah, can be done. I can wake it up using a gesture. Then I can unlock it. Yes, that's another way. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can do that. Wake up. Oh, I don't have double tap to wake up or turn off screen. Double tap, rest to wake up. Double tap to wake up. Okay. Rest to wake up. Double tap to wake up. I can set it from here. because there is no button at the side, so I can use this method. Let's see, let's see if I enable it. Okay, I close the screen now. See, because there is no button, then we need to use another kind of method to wake the screen. Okay, let's see, I close it, and then yeah, now okay, let's see, I'm in the water now. Tap, yeah, good. Tap, I can tap. Yeah, I think this is pretty good. If I rest it, yeah, it still wake up. I rest it, yeah, still wake up. But rest, maybe I don't use that rest method, and because if I use a motion, I don't think it's a very good idea. Maybe I just use double tap to tap it to wake it up. Okay, wake up. Rest to wake up is I close it and then double tap. Yeah, that's it. It's good enough. Okay, that's all. Okay, I'm going to test this waterproof case. So I'm going to put a tissue. This is dry tissue inside. Letak tisu di dalam. Kita tengok dia basah ke tak basah. Let's see if it's still dry. This is the so-called waterproof case. Look, looks nice. So we try to put it in. Let's see if it still survive or not. Goyang. So I have an activity inside the water. And check it out. See, more popping and still draining up and again, down again, and again, down again. Okay, now let's see if it's still dry. Wait, I have to dry my hand. Okay, let's see. It is still good. Let's see. Okay, it's still good. Wow, nice. This is promising. Okay, now I can bring my phone underwater and take some pictures. That's nice.